The other video was way too long, so here it is. Yeah, you can see that we got, let's see, we got the emitter, we got the aim. The aim is behind the actual object. See that? So it's parted, but it's behind the actual object. The reason for that is because let's see, if I was to take this in front of the object, look what happens. Once those objects meet that object, they reverse, so they twist. See that? They're trying to turn around, or they're actually turning around and then moving backwards. So you don't want that. The only way to fix that is by moving this object basically till infinity. So instead of doing that, I'll simply move it to the back side here. So now this is aiming backwards. That could mean that the front of the laser object is there, but in that case what you need to do is simply take this guy and turn it around 180 degrees. So that's that. Yeah, I'm not going to get too much into how this is working. I'll share the scene. The emitter, of course, is parented. Is parented to the gun object here, and also same goes for the aim. It's also parented that object. Parented to that one. This main object has no special settings. The laser has no special settings. Maybe you want to turn it 180. You probably do. The aim, not really a special setting there, but let's have a look at the emitter. And what's special about that? Not that much. I mean, it's per frame, and that's that really. You just need to make that work. Got a modifier on, so you can see that it's shooting at a random speed, which is cool enough. Nothing more to it. So this actually is just using one frame. So adjust the height of this to adjust the speed of these random lasers, these random laser shots, and of course also you need to adjust both speed and scale here. This is for randomization. I did try to use a texture, procedural texture, couldn't get that to work, so I dropped that. Yeah, I can deactivate this modifier. And now we only got a regular speed. Can move it up. So there we go. This looks a bit funky, I guess, but it is correct, should be correct, but it's not. Why is it not correct? Should have worked. Maybe, let's see. Okay, something is funky. What is the funky setting here? Is it? So I saved it and it should have worked. Let's see. Let's go into the instancer and everything should be good, but it's not. Let's check the rotation, and the rotation is, look at target item aim, which should be fine, but it's not. What is that? It used to work, now it's not working. Why? That's strange. So it used to work and now it's not working. Let's see if log update will fix anything. No. What's going on? You know what? I didn't calculate it, so that might be why. No, that's not why. That's annoying. Something works and then it stops working. So it's a frame at, it has a frame at 0. I'll try to delete that, see if it changes anything. No. Okay, the emitter is actually not following that object. It's not attached. Why is that? That's strange. It's stuck. Why is that? There we go. I don't know what happened. For some reason when I saved it, it was all funky. That is strange. Okay, so if something strange happens, then beware. Anyway, that's it. So now we got, yeah, again, random shots. So let's see what was. Still using random shots. I'm gonna turn off noise channel. That's strange. Oh, because the particles are calculated. That might be why. No, still firing random shots. Sorry, why can't I get it to just stop firing random shots? That is strange. Very strange. Okay, I'll just copy it then, and I'll remove it by shift clicking. Let's see if that helped at all. Still firing random shots. Oh gosh. Really seems to be a very slow update here for some reason. I don't know. Ah, okay. There we go. So, I didn't know that, but if you put it to point something, because I learned something new today also. If you put it to point something, then it seems to randomize it. I never knew that. That's pretty cool though. If you know about it, that is. Okay, so if I say 0.8, Okay, it's not randomized. Is it randomizing? Yeah, it is randomizing because you can see 2 here and 1 there and so on. Okay, so it's actually randomizing it by doing that. I never knew you could do that. That's news to me. Ah, that's cool though. I don't have to deal with that noisy channel thing. Okay, cool. Never knew. Does that mean that, yeah, if you say then, okay, 1.5 is good. Okay. Is that the same as... It looks like it doesn't care much about that. Anyway, so yeah, you can actually randomize it by doing that instead of using that envelope, which is much faster and smarter, unless you have to do something extremely specific. Alright, so that's that, I guess. So yeah, so that's how you do that. Either use a modifier to randomize it, or not. Use this instead. And the other thing that is important is that you have this object, this target object behind there, and this emitter. Yeah, we talked about that. This guy here. Sorry. Yeah, that one. The laser object itself, you might have to twist that 180 degrees because the aim is behind this guy. This one, don't care about it. Don't worry about it. Emitter. Yeah, the emitter itself was weird. I mean, I don't know why it wouldn't parent to, why it stopped parenting to that object. And it wouldn't follow my guide really. Oh, is it? Are they slowing down in time? Yeah, they are. Oh well. Wait a minute. What is it? Oh, you might have to do with particle weight, I guess. But I thought that particle weight wouldn't matter if gravity is 0. Maybe it does. Okay, that didn't work wrong. Using particle weight 1. Ah, okay. You know what? I got particle resistance to 1. It should be 0. Now it will probably just fly out all the way. Yeah, there we go. A lot of things to think about, I guess. Alright, that's the comments. I would have liked to have made this video shorter, but yeah. gets tricky. I mean, if you work with this every day, not that tricky, but yeah.